When meat is consumed, a complex biological journey begins inside the body. Rich in protein, iron, and essential nutrients, meat enters the digestive system as a dense source of energy and structure. Inside the stomach, powerful digestive acids and enzymes begin breaking meat down into amino acids. This process prepares the nutrients for absorption and transport. As digestion continues into the intestines, these amino acids, minerals, and vitamins pass through the intestinal walls and enter the bloodstream. From here, they are delivered throughout the body. The brain uses these nutrients to support neural activity and focus. Muscles absorb protein to repair tissue and maintain strength. Organs receive the fuel they need to function efficiently. However, excessive or unbalanced consumption may stress digestion. The stomach lining can become irritable.